Hi, this is Brad Armstrong with MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. I want to show you this 2023 Sea Ray SPX 210. It has an optional sports tower with a bimini top, and over here you'll see it has a stainless steel telescope ladder, 4-step ladder, along with a submersible swim platform. And it has an IO 250 upgrade. Let's check out the inside of the boat. Okay, we're on the interior of the Sea Ray 210 SPX with the dune interior coloring, and it has an upgraded package with the dune and the seat convertible to a lounge, 3-position seat, bow filler cushion in the front for lounging out in the sun, captain's chair, Simrad electronics, and call me at 973-222-0979 if you want to take a look.